Right now we have to go. इस वक्त वज़ीर आज़म मौजूद हैं, तकरीब से खिताब करें.
Worthy delegates who have travelled from near and far to join us for this Inter-Parliamentary Speakers Conference. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is honoured to host this very important gathering, bringing together parliamentary leaders to deliberate on our shared vision of peace, security and development around the globe. I wish to particularly acknowledge the leadership of the Honourable Chairman, Senate of Pakistan and founding Chairman of the ISC, Sayyid Yusuf Raza Gilani, whose initiative and commitment has made this forum a reality and a success story. Excellencies, the theme of this conference, peace, security and development, could not be more timely and relevant. While this theme has a bearing on the countries represented here, it has a particular resonance for Pakistan. Ever since our independence in 1947, Pakistan has always advocated for peace through dialogue and diplomacy. We firmly believe that peace and security form the foundation of the sustainable national and regional development. The true value of peace is most profoundly understood when we are confronted with the conflicts that continue to plague our world. Pakistan too has encountered this turbulence, both directly as well as indirectly. But we have remained resolute in our quest to maintain peace and tranquility. Unfortunately, earlier this year, in the month of May, Pakistan faced unprovoked aggression from our eastern front. Our highly professional armed forces displayed remarkable preparedness and performed outstandingly on the battlefield. Their swift and decisive military action on land and in the air not only thwarted the enemy's designs but also demonstrated to the aggressor and of course the entire world Pakistan's iron resolve and determination to defend its sovereignty and territorial integrity at all costs. Having won the war, we need to win peace through sincere and honest efforts. Honorable guests, a peaceful Afghanistan holds the key to regional connectivity, growth, progress and prosperity. This peace has remained elusive for decades. However, Pakistan has never lost hope. We believe in a peaceful neighborhood and have been striving hard for this purpose. It is most unfortunate that militant groups continue to imperil peace, not only within Afghanistan but also beyond its borders. When our border posts were attacked last month from the Afghan side, our response was firm and decisive, teaching an unforgettable lesson to those who attacked Pakistan. I deeply appreciate the efforts of brotherly countries, particularly Turkey and Qatar, in facilitating peace talks between Pakistan and the Afghan Taliban regime. Afghanistan must understand the lasting peace can only be realized by reining in TTP and other terrorist groups operating from Afghan territory. Our abiding commitment to upholding peace and security in the world is manifested by our constructive role at the United Nations, OIC, ECO, SCO, as well as other important diplomatic forums. Distinguished delegates, the flames of conflict are too often lit and fed by the embers of persistent poverty, inequality, and injustice. We have seen how poverty and exclusion can ignite the fuse of instability. Excellencies, development as the engine of progress is the most effective remedy against instability and conflict. And in this behalf, I would like to mention a very important program which was undertaken by Pakistan through great economic cooperation from our very friendly country, China, and under the flag of One Belt, One Road, One Belt, this program, Pakistan-China economic program, was undertaken most productively, and of course we are about to enter now the second phase of this program. Ladies and gentlemen, under my government, Pakistan has embarked on a journey of comprehensive reforms to promote inclusive growth, institutional strengthening, and the empowerment of youth and women. Recognizing the critical role of small and medium enterprises, we are scaling up SME financings, small medium enterprises, to create jobs, foster innovations, and broaden economic participation. Women are being equipped with digital skills, provided enhanced access to finance, and encouraged to avail leadership opportunities so they can harness their full potential and contribute fully to Pakistan's economic and social transformation. On the global front, Pakistan has actively engaged with international financial institutions and development partners to foster fiscal reforms, climate resilience, and investment facilitation, so essential for a resilient and prosperous future. Our efforts at home and abroad are guided by the conviction that no nation can prosper in isolation, and that our destinies are linked with each other very closely, and we believe in global interaction, multilateralism, and we would be very happy to work with, as we have worked in the past, with all international players, be it European Union, United States of America, Japan, Far East, Middle East, Saudi Arabia, and so on and so forth. Ladies and gentlemen, parliaments, as the custodians of the people's will and the democratically elected representatives of their aspirations, have a unique and indispensable role to play in this endeavor. We are guardians of the most precious hope and sacred trust that our people have reposed in us. We are duty bound to honor those sacrosanct expectations to the best of our capabilities to bring about a collective improvement in the lives of those who we represent in our Houses of Parliament. I would like to conclude, ladies and gentlemen, with full confidence in the wisdom of the enlightening discussions that will take place during this conference, and I look forward to its outcomes that will guide all of us for our future course of action and our collective journey forward. My ultimate hope is that the peoples of all nations will stand united in promoting peace, advancing sustainable development.
Of the Senate of Pakistan and founding chairman ISC to present a commemorative shield to His Excellency the Prime Minister. May I request His Excellency the Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif to kindly present a commemorative shield to His Excellency Iknat Dakkal, Secretary General of the ISC, in recognition of his instrumental role in guiding the Inter-Parliamentary Speakers Conference.
बैनुल-अक़वामी पार्लिमानी स्पीकर कॉन्फ्रेंस में शहबाज शरीफ खिताब कर रहे थे, जिसका कुछ हिस्सा आपने मुलाहिज़ा किया।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।